Hi everyone, welcome to weekly online lectures. I'm your online tutor AG. In this channel, you can watch all accounting and management accounting lectures. I have uploaded various problems relating to accounting and management accounting. So if you like the videos and if you consider that these lectures are going to be useful to you, so what you can do is you can subscribe to my channel to receive weekly updates on lectures. And not only that, if you have any difficult questions, please comment below. I will answer to all your questions. Today I am going to discuss about under high-low method how to split fixed and variable cost when there is semi-fixed cost. Before we deep dive into the solution, I would recommend you all to pause this video and read the question thoroughly and then come back again and do the calculation. I hope you would have read the question thoroughly. So let's go through the question before we do the calculation. The question is, the following data relates to the overhead expenditure of contract cleaners at two activity levels. So you are given two activity levels and the overhead costs are given. And also in addition to that, you are given that when more than 14,000 square meters are cleaned, there will be a step up in fixed cost of 4,700. What does it mean? Step fixed cost. What does it mean? So which means the fixed cost will be fixed up to a certain activity level. Then thereafter the fixed cost will increase as you increase the activity level. For example, let's say there's a factory and the factory rent is around $100,000 and that factory is capable of producing 500,000 units. And if you want to exceed the production above 500,000 units, you will have to rent out another factory and you will have to pay a rent, so that the rent cost will increase as you increase the fixed cost. So in a situation like this, how do you calculate, how do you split fixed and variable cost? Now here you are required to calculate the estimated total cost at 14,500 square meters. So please remember that this 4,700 is fixed up to 14,000 square meters. So when you produce 14,000, there will be a step fixed cost of 4,700 once you exceed 14,000 square meters. So therefore 14 up to 14,000 square meters, there is a fixed cost that we need to identify based on these figures. Okay, let's find out what we need to do. So find out the fixed and variable cost using high-low method. So under high-low method, what you should do, you should take the highest quantity, the highest amount, and the lowest quantity and the lowest amount. From the highest quantity, highest amount, you remove the lowest amount so that you can identify the variable cost. Okay, so first and foremost, what you should do, what is the total cost at 15,000 square meters, which is 83,585. From this, before you deduct the cost at 12,750, you should remove the step fixed cost, which is 4,700, So once you remove that, you will get the cost excluding step fixed cost, Then you remove the lowest cost at lowest units, which is 12,750, 73,950. then what will be the total variable cost? What will be the total variable cost? Simply you deduct 15,100, 12,750 from 15,100, then you remove 73,950 from 78,885. So thereby you will get a variable cost per square meter of 2.1. So we have identified the variable cost. Now calculate the fixed cost. So simply you take the total cost at 12,750, which is 73,950. From that you deduct the variable cost that you can easily calculate. Now we identified the variable cost per square meter, 2.1 times 12,750, which is 26,775. So what will be the fixed cost? Up to 14,000 square meters, 47,175. Now you are supposed to calculate the fixed cost at 14,500. Simply you calculate the variable cost first. That simply you can calculate by taking 2.1 per square meter times 14,500, which is 30,450, and add fixed cost up to 14,000 square meters as per this calculation, 47,175. Then you need to add fixed cost above 14,000 square meters, which is when you increase 14,000 to 14,500, the question says there is a step fixed cost. So once you add, you will get the total cost at 14,500. So we can cross check this answer, whether this answer is correct or not. How do you cross check? How do you cross check the answer? Simply just calculate 15,100 based on these figures. So what is the variable cost? Simply you multiply 15,100 times 2.1, then step fixed cost you need to add, because 15,100 means above 14,000 square meters. Then you need to add the fixed cost of 47,175. So you should get how much? 83,585. So this is how you do the cross-checking part. So thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Thank you.